Good morning. I'm going to make dinner now in the Hot Logic family size, and I'm going to use a few simple ingredients just to take 5 minutes in the morning to make our dinner. It'll be ready later in the day. What I have here is 4 smoked pork chops. They're already cooked because they're smoked, and each packet here is about a pound. So we have 4 chops weighing 2 pounds. Also, I'm going to use 2 cans of pinto beans. I have the reduced sodium type, and a can of Old El Paso red enchilada sauce. Okay, that's all we're going to put together here. It's so easy. Take a big Pyrex dish. This is a 9 by 13 pan. I lay all 4 pork chops on the bottom. These are really nice chops. I buy these often at Wegmans, and they don't require any special care. Just stuff them in the bottom of the pan. You know, I do my dinners pretty quickly on a work day. Find a way to fit them in there, like a puzzle. Okay. I like to have the meat near the bottom because it gets the best quick heating time. Alright, next I'm going to take the 2 cans of pinto beans and rinse them off. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the pinto beans rinsed off. I'm just going to cover the pork chops with the beans. One of the reasons I do this is to keep all the moisture into the pork chops as they're cooking all day. Alright, and we'll get all the flavor by adding 1 can of red enchilada sauce. Just spread it around. Now, you can also make this recipe in a slow cooker on the low setting. Everything's really already cooked, so you really just need to warm it up. However, we're going to be gone from the kitchen all day, so we're just going to let it cook on the Hot Logic warming tray and keep it warm for us until it's time to eat dinner. Alright, as you can see, there's a nice warming tray inside the insulated bag. And that's where this is going to sit. I'm going to zip it up, plug it in, and I won't be the first one to open this for dinner. Rick will be here, so he'll show you what it looks like when he opens it up. Pretty easy, isn't it? Okay, thanks for watching.
Time to eat. Just woke up and I'm smelling something good cooking out here in the big Hot Logic. I think I might know what it is. Do you? Nice to cook while you sleep, isn't it? Or to have somebody else cook for you while you sleep. There it is! Hot Logic casserole size. Ooh, I see beans. Oh, that smells good, doesn't it? Smells like barbecue, kind of. Well, pork chop on the bottom, see with them beans? Put that on my plate. Look! You want another one? What else is in there? Beans and pork chops. That's a nice barbecue aroma to it. Let's taste that. Now I'm going to cover this back up. It's going to stay warm for as long as I want it to, for whoever else comes home to eat. Okay? So convenient. You want some? Let's taste them beans. That's nice how they stay right on top of there. Pork chop. We need a knife for that? Let me see. Nope. I'm supposed to buy it, but but I have a knife. This is good. There's a little bone there too. Oh boy. That's delicious. If you don't have one of them Hot Logics, get one of them. That's the family size, but we use the mini a lot too. Take it to work. Have a home cooked meal. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. I'm going to eat this now.